is no one talking about this credit union? I believe I found a credit union that might be better than Navy Federal because it in fact has high limit credit cards, it has high limit personal loans, and it has a business sector and anyone can join. I talked about Apple Federal Credit Union about a year ago because I believe it's one of the best credit unions out there and it can in fact compete with Navy Federal. Make sure that you watch this till the end because I'm going to tell you exactly how you can join no matter where you are in the United States. A lot of people are coming into the comments saying, no, you can't join. Listen, I understand there's been some major updates and I found ways that you can in fact join no matter where you are at. So make sure you watch this till the end. Let's jump right into this because we got a lot of ground to cover because this is a great credit union that has a lot of great products for anybody, even if you have bad credit. Now, one of the biggest changes that I saw with Apple Federal Credit Union, they are going to merge with another credit union called Nextmark Credit Union that is also based in Virginia. Now, this entire credit union system is based in Virginia, just so you know, in case you're wondering, because a lot of people say, no, you can't join unless you're in Virginia. No, it's not true. I'll walk you through that towards the end. But right now, there's a major merger that's going to happen. Hopefully, it's going to bring even better benefits for members of Apple Federal Credit Union also. Let's jump into their actual credit cards because that's one of the biggest things that we like to talk about. Now, this one right here, the Signature Rewards, goes all the way up to $50,000. And then we have the My Rewards. That one goes up to $5,000. And as you can see, they have a total of 6 different credit cards. Now, the Platinum is another credit card that they also offer. That one goes up to $35,000. And of course, the APR is going to differ on all of these based on whatever credit card it is. This one offers low variable rates also. They also have an Educator credit card that goes all the way up to $35,000. As you can see right here, it's pretty awesome. Low introductory rates and no payments during summer months. This one's specifically for actual teachers. Now they have a student credit card. That one goes all the way up to $1,500 and it's for specifically people that are 18 to 25, so people getting new into credit. They also offer the Credit Builder credit card. That one, you can secure that credit card with up to $5,000. It'll help you establish a relationship and build up your credit profile at the same time. You can do this with $250 all the way up to $5,000 to help build up your credit profile with Apple Federal Credit Union. Entry level for any of their credit cards is going to be a 580 FICO Bank Card Score 8. I would always suggest anytime you're building a new relationship with a credit union, establish a relationship first for at least 6 to 8 months before you ever apply for a credit card or any credit product if you have bad credit, because every credit union is relationship banked strength. That's where it all comes from. Build up your relationship. You want to open up a checking and a savings, put as much money as you can in your checking, put some money into your savings. Doesn't matter what you're putting into, but always focus on putting money into your savings. Do a direct deposit and also do a secured loan because that's going to show the bank that you are in fact a responsible borrower and you're trying to get yourself back on track if you have bad credit. Now, if you have good credit, go and apply, set up your account. And sorry, don't apply, I mean apply for your membership and then set up your account. Once you set up your account, you want to wait at least a minimum of 91 days before you pull the trigger on any of their credit cards. Now, we have seen success rates be great with people with great credit scores and starting with this credit union, but I always believe, and I'm a firm believer, that if you establish a relationship first, you're going to get much farther and get higher limits of credit cards for your credit profile or possibly higher personal loans also or lines of credit. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that signed up for Dispute Beast and are working hard to fix their credit using the most advanced DIY credit repair software ever created that anyone can use. If you need to fix your credit, link is going to be in the description. If you're going to apply for any of their credit products, they will be pulling from TransUnion, so that's great. They don't pull from all three. It's only going to be TransUnion. Now let's jump into their personal loan sector. As you can see, they offer 6 different types of personal loans, all the way up to $50,000, no hidden costs or early penalties. You're also going to be looking at a 9.99% APR for the signature loan, but they also offer a signature line of credit. But of course, the interest rate goes up on that, which I'm not happy about that. But they also have a savings secured for your regular savings with a 3% APR. Then your savings certificate, which I think is a big deal. Everyone should always do a savings certificate to establish that relationship and make it stronger with the credit union. They also offer the first responders line of credit. First responder line of credit is going to be available for current or retired law enforcement, firefighters, EMS personnel, healthcare professionals, and other first responders for unexpected expenses, paying off debt, or large purchases. So it's not too bad. It's 8.5% APR, and you're gonna be looking at up to $5,000 with the intro APR of 0% for 12 months. Now you have the educator line of credit up to $5,000, 0% APR for 12 months also, which is awesome. $500 guaranteed. I don't know how they're guaranteeing that, but they're stating it's guaranteed. So just be aware at an 8.50% APR, which isn't too horrible, but isn't the greatest, but it's decent, I would say. Now, if you're looking for an auto loan, they got a whole auto loan section also. For new auto loans, you're gonna be looking at up to 84 months and a max loan to value of 130%, which is pretty crazy, with the 4.74% APR. If you have bad credit, always and only go through a credit union, in case you didn't know. They also do auto refinancing up to 84 months also. You're gonna be looking at vehicles current or prior models, up to 130% value of a car on an auto refinance. That's pretty crazy with a new car. Now, used car, you're gonna also do up to 84 months. Vehicles up to 7 model years old, which is kind of pretty crazy. That's pretty old. And then you're looking at a max loan to value of up to 130% of the value of the car, with less than 100,000 miles for 5.69%. Now, you're gonna have a used auto refinance also up to 84 months. 7 years is the limit also, up to 130% value also, with less than 100,000 miles, which is still pretty solid, honestly. And then you got motorcycles and used motorcycles, new and used also. So you're looking at 84-month terms for a new motorcycle, motorcycles current or prior model year, and then you got the max loan value up to 100%, which is pretty solid for a new motorcycle. Then less than 7,500 miles on that new motorcycle with 4.54% APR, which is pretty solid. Remember, this is always based on your credit also. So used motorcycles, you're looking at up to 74 months. 5.39% APR isn't horrible, but it's still not the best as we would like. Motorcycles up to 7 model years old. Now you're looking at a max loan value up to 100%, not a retail value, and less than 100,000 miles on that used motorcycle. So they do have a great section for auto loans and motorcycles available. Even better news, they have a business sector for all my business owners out there. If you're looking for some type of financing or credit cards, they do offer that. So let's jump into the business sector. They do offer the term loans. They don't tell us what the term loans are, but they do offer them with competitive interest rates. Now, equipment financing up to 10 years. They have working capital also if you're looking for that. Real estate loans. The real estate loans are pretty big. They're looking at, they actually don't tell us right there, but they do tell us about the SBA 504 loans, which they're looking at $5.5 million on a loan for an SBA. The SBA 7A loan will go all the way up to $5 million also, which is pretty crazy, pretty insane if you ask me. They do offer vehicle loans for your business also, so be aware of that, because a lot of people always look for financing for their business for vehicle loans. That can turn into an entire tax write-off if you are a business owner and you need some type of vehicle loan. So now with the vehicle loans, you're looking for up to $50,000. So you can't go any lower than $50,000. It is a minimum of, it must exceed, $50,000 after the down payment requirement has been met, which is pretty unique that they actually tell you that, which is pretty awesome. But low fees, $150 origination, lien search, and recording fees may apply and vary by state. So just be aware of that. Now, moving on, they do offer a credit card. Now, the credit card, this is what everyone's probably been waiting for. The credit lines go all the way up to $50,000 with Apple Federal Credit Union for the business sector. No annual fee and low variable rate. Pretty standard, everything else about the credit card. There's not really any bells or whistles that go along with it. It's just a credit card with the $50,000 limit, which can be helpful for any business owner. Now, how can you join this awesome credit union? There are 4 ways to qualify for membership. Of course, the number 1 way is going to be location, anywhere inside of any one of those counties in Virginia if you are in the Virginia area. But don't freak out. I told you could join and I'm gonna show you, so hold your horses, okay? Now, you're gonna be looking at it. The second way is if you are in one of the schools as a faculty, staff, student, and immediate family of any of these schools listed right here. There's a lot of them. I'm not gonna go over the list. We're gonna go over to number 3, 3, relationship. If you are a family member, immediate family of an existing member such as spouse, parent, child, sibling, step-parent, stepchild, step-sibling, grandparent, grandchild, and adoptive relationship. Also, if you're in the household, so living with a member such as a roommate, domestic partner, and legal guardians can get you in. And the final one that's gonna get you in, if you don't live or apply to any of those other 3 reasons, number 4, work. We're going to review the list of businesses and organizations that can get you in. Put the list up on the screen so everyone can see this. These are all of the ways that you can join this specific credit union, Apple Federal Credit Union. Now, I'm like, oh my God, how am I gonna go through this entire list? This is massive. I found it, top right corner. If you are a member of the National PTA, that can get you in. So you're probably wondering, well, how much is that gonna cost me? Let's go take a look. But remember, hold on, before I leave this, look at all of these, because if you don't wanna join the PTA, there are other ways to get in, whether you're working at some type of location or you're a member of any of these, this can get you in any of these on this list. Now we want to simply Google National PTA so you can see this for yourself if you don't believe what I'm putting up on the screen, because people always say crazy stuff in the comments. But if you look it up right now, the National PTA, remember national, not local, okay? I'm gonna say it again for those out there. You're gonna look up what the cost of the membership is, and just to have an annual membership with the National PTA is $25. If you wanna have a lifetime membership, that is $500, and this is going to get you in to Apple Federal Credit Union. If you're out there and you are already an Apple Federal Credit Union member, let us know in the comments. Let us know about your experience so everyone in our community and all of our subscribers and followers can all see exactly what this is like. Talk about the credit cards you applied for, how much you got. We all love to see those data points to help one another grow. Just be aware, Apple Federal Credit Union is in fact bad credit friendly. In fact, entry level for any of their credit products is going to be a 580 FICO Bank Card Score 8. But if you have bad credit, you need to build and establish a relationship before you apply for any credit products. Let's use our brain here. Establish a relationship and then go apply for any of their credit products. Because if you come in there not doing anything, they're gonna deny you. Let's be honest with each other. But if you have top tier credit, then go ahead and shoot for the moon, fam. Tell us about your experience and what you got. If you enjoyed this video, we covered another big one on how to get into Apple Federal Credit Union and all their amazing products that they offer. They may be better than Navy Federal. You tell me in the comments. Now make sure that you watch this next video because it is about another credit union that you may want to look into. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.